One of the ways of making money from trading as a total beginner or even as a pro is by simply copying masters trader. Bybit has a copy trading features that allow you to copy masters who are good in trading. These particular people have proven track records of being a profitable trader. I can simply just hit on the copy button to copy all that trades and become profitable too. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you guys how to copy traders on using the Bybit app and how to become profitable while doing this. So all I want you to do is simply watch this video from the very beginning to the very end, because this is actually very important. You skipping a step or skipping this video might simply mean that you are skipping an important part. And before we get right in, please do to like this video, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Please do to like, subscribe, and I want to get 10k subscribers before the week's run out. I can only do that if you decide to subscribe to this channel. So guys, let's get right into it. Before we continue, you need to sign up on Bybit. There'll be a link to sign up on Bybit if you are new to the Bybit or you don't have Bybit account before. When you sign up, click on this place that says copy trading. If you don't need copy trading, it's going to be the copy trading section of Bybit, and on this page where we get started. So what you need to know about is that, as you can see, that there are different sessions you get on this leaderboard, right? We have people, how I miss traders, master traders who have the highest return of investment, and you can see them right here. On this page we have the top intraday traders, traders who have the highest return on investment every single day, which you can see on this page. Now the next sectors is the top balance traders, which are traders who are able to balance their portfolio and manage their risk accurately. And then the next section are the new talents, new people, the new master traders who are actually making it, you get, on the Bybit copy trading. In the next section, and those traders who are boosted. If you trade with them, you get to, if you copy that trade, you get to get 10% bonus, and which I really recommend because they are being boosted. And these are those traders which make the best, which make the highest amount of money for their followers. And we have this section which are the lowest trader and these traders which have the lowest amount of losses. Yet most people like copying these particular persons because they think that they are able to manage their risk properly or their loss, because in trading everybody must encounter loss. Yet they think that these people are good enough to manage their losses and also make profit. But for me, I usually prefer trading those master traders with the best return of investment. As you can see on the leaderboard, I have over 3% actually doing well. I click on view or to view all the master traders you get, but for the sake of this video, I already hit on this. That you can simply click on all traders, then you can filter and sort based on top ROI. Understand? Then you tap on confirm and you're going to bring up the top traders based on return of investment for you, and you're going to see all of them, right? Well, for me, I'll really hit on this ladder board, then I'll try to check out this particular TV. So for this first one, right, this first one has 332 followers. You can see he has been trading for 92 days, and this right here, you can see right here is the total amount of money that is actually controlling right now. Total amount of money both is in and out of his followers that is currently controlling or trading with. And for every trade it does get, is getting 10% of the profit. If you are copying each trade, let's say that you trade and you made $100, you get, it's going to take $10, while the other $90 will be for you. This is the 10% that is taking. So on this place where we see the overview of his account, in the last 7 days, his return of investment is 530%. So it means that he has made additional $5,000, while his followers have made additional $11,000. So as you can see, right, he has taken over 50 trades, 46 wins and losses at 6. You can see it right here. If you click on this particular asset trade, you're going to see details about all trade he has taken and stuff like that. But I think he kind of hide those trades on those who are not followers. On this way, I see followers, you can see people following him and their profit they have made while the last days So I decided to follow this guy. I decided to like check out other top traders in his category to see how they are doing too. So let's check this one. This particular one, right? Return on investment in the last 7 days is 42%, which means he has made over $800 and his followers has made over $1,000. Win rate is 56% and if 14 trades, 14 wins, 0 losses, and you click on this place that says trade, so you're going to see the trade that he has taken before, but not showing, and you can see right his followers. So very simple. So now after this information should actually make you decide on who you should follow. Yet you should be able to decide who to follow. So you can check in the last 30 days what he has done in the last 30 days. Last 30 days are just 25 win, which is very good, and 6 losses. In the last 90 days too. Yes, in the last 90 days, so also check the number of wins. Last 90 days, 32 wins and 17 losses. I think this is also quite good. So basically, we prefer to trade with our guy because over how many trades? Over 43, over 44 trades, 43 wins and just one loss. Get 3 days is been 90 days. Get for over 90 days, he has been trading. He has made profit, as you can see. So to copy this particular trader, all you do is hit on the copy button. If you do so, it's going to go to this page. So minimum I can use to start copy trading is $50. Once you have $50, you can simply hit on copy trading to copy now. But then there are some additional settings that you can do if you decide. So to click on more settings. If you hit on more settings, it's going to be more settings for you. As you can see, right, we have the copy mode. We have the smart copy mode and the advanced copy mode. You get, but it is best to leave it at the smart copy mode. This really means that the master trader will be the one that will actually taking the responsibility of controlling your portfolio, something like controlling your stop loss, take profit, and stuff like that. So you follow master settings. Then this particular one that says maximum position margin per contract. This really means you determining the amount you want to use to enter into every trade. If, for example, you have $50, you want to copy this master trader $50 and you want to enter every single trade with $10, you can simply put on this split 10 USDT. Then on this split, you can simply put in the maximum amount of money you want to use to enter a trade on a daily basis. If, for example, you want to enter into just 2 trades in a day, you can still put $30 on this particular place. But if you want to enter into just 4 trades in a day, you can still put 40 USDT on this particular place. You can still put here as 50 USDT. Then leave the others as it is. Just leave these particular ones the way it is. Then simply tap on copy now, and we do this as you copy this master trader. And every day you can come to this particular place to see your profit. You can simply come to the home section and click on assets. Click on assets, you're going to see on that wallet right here called copying, and on that particular wallet you get to see people you are copying and the profit you are making from it. Again, for those people who want to cancel their trades, yet, or if you want to take your profit, it simply means that you need to stop following the master trader if you want to take your profit, or if you want to cancel. You can simply come click on subscribe. You do this, you can see people that you are copying that trade, and you can simply cancel or stop copying that trade. So guys, this is a simple way I can use to copy master traders on Bybit and make money for yourself. If this video was helpful, please do to smash that like button, subscribe and turn the bell icon. Your boy wants to have 20k subscribers before the week runs out. You can help me achieve that if you subscribe, turn the bell icon, and like this video so that YouTube can suggest this video to more people. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.